Hi, to check internal storage capacity on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we need to open Settings and here scroll to this Device Care tab. After that, simply select Storage and now we can see everything what we needed. So here is the total amount. In my case, it is 256 gigabytes. This is amount of storage I used, which is 24 gigabytes. And that is amount in percentages. So I used 9% of the total amount. Here the screen shows how much free space is left. The blue part is used memory, the gray part is available memory. If you want to know how much is left in gigabytes, subtract the used memory from the maximum capacity. And also you can definitely show more and check which app files took a lot of storage space. And here you can go in the unused apps, check which apps you do not use and delete them by putting the check mark and selecting the option to uninstall, and that would free up some space. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.